Happy Sunday morning, everybody. Welcome back for a cook along. Today for breakfast, I'm having bacon and eggs. This bacon is Black Label brand. I'm not going to show you guys how to fry bacon. I wanted to show you guys how to make the most perfect scrambled eggs you've ever had. So I'm going to finish up this bacon, and when I get back, I'll show you guys how to make the perfect scrambled eggs. See you in a bit. Okay, we're back, you guys. Today is day 12, I believe, of my pandemic vacation. Guys, okay, back to the scrambled eggs. These are from my friend Kelly's farm. You notice how they're different color than your store-bought eggs, sometimes a little different texture. I don't know if you can see the texture or not. These are pretty large eggs too. So we're going to go ahead and get these guys scrambled up. Got a few eggshells in here. Pick those guys out. You don't want to crunch on an eggshell while you're having breakfast. All right, you guys. So I like to scramble my eggs with milk because I like them fluffy. So we're going to add a little milk. I went ahead and cleaned out the pan from the bacon grease on our break, on our intermission. I don't add my salt or my pepper to my eggs until they're done and I have them on my plate. These fresh eggs are different in color than like your store-bought eggs as far as the yolk. The yolk is very orange, like a deep orange sunset. And then your store-bought eggs are like a bright, light sunset. I would say these taste more eggy than your regular eggs, if that makes sense. Okay, I got these where I want them. Now, I want to put a little butter. This is one of those Gotham steel pans. But I've scrambled eggs before in one of these, and I'm not happy with the result. So I'm going to put a little butter in here to make sure they come out the way I want them. I have the pan set. I have this pan set at about 3.5. It goes from low to high, obviously, and then it's low, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then high. So I have it at about a 2.5, almost at a 4. So I'm going to go ahead and I can tell by the way this butter's sizzling, and as soon as it hits the pan, that pan's maybe a little hot. So I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put it off to the side for a minute. I'll just talk to you guys for a second while this. Actually, I just went ahead and turned it off because trust me, this skillet from cooking the bacon earlier, it's still hot. So I'm actually going to wipe the butter out. I want to wipe this butter out of my skillet because it turned a little brown because the pan was too hot. So if that happens to you, I would just go ahead and kind of start over because you don't want the butter to turn brown. It's going to make your eggs a little brown. And you want them to be nice and yellow and pretty. Okay, so we're going to start over. I'm not even going to put the pan back on that eye. I'll put it back here on this other eye. Put it back here. Okay, so put my butter in here again. Just a thin layer. Okay, and get your eggs in there pretty quickly. Now, I'm not making an omelet, but it's going to kind of look like I'm making an omelet because I'm going to let the eggs sit there for a second. And when I start to see a little bubbling coming up, I'm going to start to move them slowly back and forth as I let the rest of the raw egg yolk coat the bottom of the pan where I have scraped the cooked part up. You'll see. Okay, I think I can put it back on the heat for a minute. You'll see what I'm saying here in a second. Okay, so we'll put this on like a 2 because this pan is pretty hot. Okay, I think we're ready to start the process. So I'm going to go ahead and start moving the egg. They're going to be between omelet and scrambled eggs, so they're kind of be like a scromlet. See, guys, they're pretty much done already. Look at that. I put cheese in them, but I wait till I put them on my plate to put cheese because I don't want them to be runny. All right, you guys, perfect scrambled eggs. We're going to go ahead and put them on our plate with our bacon. Bacon. Bacon and scromlets. Perfect scromlets. All right, you guys. Check this out. That is yummerific to the power of 10. All right, you guys. Well, I hope y'all have a nice Sunday and everybody stay strong. And I love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and maybe give me a like if you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys soon.